Hey, this is Mr. Kelly. Welcome to our online learning. We're going to have one of these every week, and I have a 5-minute limit on these videos, which should be good because that's about as much time as I would expect anyone to have attention span for this. So just to look at our agenda for this week, we're going to look at our overall online learning in general, how marking period 3 will finish up. We'll talk about a sample essay analysis I'm doing for you, what your essay is for your final assignment, and you'll do your check-in quiz to show me you've understood everything. So the overview. I'll be posting new materials and assignments each Monday. It'll be a lot like this. I'm planning to do a video to go along with each one to kind of talk through it. And you'll do a quiz each Monday, basically to take attendance and show you understand what you're doing. If you don't do it, I will find you and bother you until you do. Now, you probably already heard this, but our office hours for period 2 will be normally 1:40 p.m. to 2:25 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays. It'll be a little different this week and next week because of spring break, but that's our normal time. And overall, work should be turned in by Friday unless I indicate otherwise. For marking period 3, Tuesday is the only office hour for period 2 this week, and Wednesday is the only time next week, different day than normal. That's because of the spring break off days. Our only new assignment is a 50-point analysis essay, and that's the only new thing you have to do. You can do it up until the end of next week, but if you do it by this coming Wednesday, then you can have the opportunity to see my feedback and rewrite and conference with me online if you would like to. In terms of other assignments, you can redo the Unit 6 multiple choice test. Many of you already did that, but I'll extend the offer to help you improve your grade. And also the dumpster diving paragraph. Again, many of you rewrote that, and I'm grading the rewrites. But if you would still like to, you can do that. If you'd like to redo anything else, please reach out to me, and we can make special arrangements. Just contact me. Now, as I mentioned, I made a video going through a full analysis of a passage and planning an essay. I recommend you check it out. I'm using the exact same organizer I'm recommending that you use, the one we were looking at when class was ending before we had to leave. So hopefully that'll help you kind of see how to work through an analysis essay. We've done this many times before, but just to give you some more pointers. In terms of your essay, you are allowed to Google Chavez, to Google the speech, get some context on why he gave it, all that kind of stuff if it's helpful to you. I recommend you use the organizer, but it's not required. It's not part of the grade, just the essay is. But please do not Google anyone else's speech so you don't accidentally plagiarize. We will be using Turnitin.com, which is a different platform than we've used before, but there are instructions in Classroom, and I can help you out if you have any trouble with them. Basically, that's a more robust plagiarism checker, which I think is necessary because of this new online learning and the fact that you have as long as you want to write this essay and could theoretically look up a lot of stuff. I hope you won't do that, but it's possible. So if you understand everything you've read, or even if you have some questions, go answer the quiz in Classroom. That's your attendance. Let me know how you're doing. And from there, we will move on and do this essay. So go check out my video working through a sample essay. Go check out the prompt. Try to get your essay done by Wednesday so you can have the chance to rewrite and redo any other assignments that you get permission to do or you would like to do to improve your grade. Hope all of that was clear. Give me feedback if you want to on a Padlet in the slideshow to let me know if there's anything you're concerned about. And we will have a successful end of marking period 3 together. Thanks, everyone, and we'll see you online. All right, let me end this thing. Bye-bye.